Hi, my name is Ato, and I'm a cat. As you can see, I'm super cute, and that's why all the bitches are so crazy about me. But don't get jealous. It can be annoying sometimes. And today I want to talk about why humans are losers. First, humans always do things they don't like. For instance, they always get a job they really hate. And that's fucked up. I would never do anything like that. What would I do? Just eat, sleep, play, watch bitches. I mean watch birds. Yeah, and sometimes get a massage. Oh yeah, that feels good. Keep going. That's how life should be. And humans are too stupid to understand that. And secondly, humans get angry too easily. Oh, that's not good. They really need to chill the fuck out. Personally, oh shit, I'm not a person, catinally, I don't give a fuck about anything. I'm super chill, and that's why all the bitches love me so much. And humans should learn that shit. Thirdly, humans lie all the time. I'll give you some examples.
Hey, what's up, bro? Yeah, I'm doing good. Yeah, I'm doing good.
That's a lie.
Hey, babe, I'm still working. I'll call you later, okay?
Lying again.
Love ya.
Another one here. You see, I'm so disappointed. Cats would never lie. Oops, that wasn't me. And fourthly, oh shit, I'm so tired. I gotta go to bed. That's all for today, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna end the video here because I don't give a fuck about you guys. Subscribe. Bye.